gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? When you were 8 and you had bad traits, you go to school and learn the golden rule. So why are you acting like a bloody fool? If you get hot, then you must get cool. Bad boys, what you gonna do? Or what you gonna do when they come for you?
So what we got there?
Our noise complaint. You think that's the car?
Looks like
Rainbow.
they're having a party.
Yeah, rainbow umbrella, like they said. I'd call it. Let's go. Put ourselves on scene here.
Harry? Yeah.
Hey!
Hey guys!
You want to shut that off?
What?
Police, shut it off!
What?
Shut it off!
Shut off the music! What?
Shut it
I said shut it off!
There, like that.
Oh.
What's going on here today?
Just having a good time. How about you?
All right, what are you doing?
Listen to some music.
All right, listening to music. You realize you're on private property and the landlord called a complaint.
This is private property.
Yeah, it is.
Then why isn't there a chain link fence or anything?
Parking lot? This is private property.
Well, if they don't want people in here, why don't they put a fence up?
This is private property. They want people to be able to come and go on Sundays and things. I don't know why, but it's private property.
But it's a church. I thought they wanted people here.
Yeah.
Not partying in their parking lot.
Can't we just like hang out?
Are you telling me God doesn't want people to have a good time?
Not that much of a good time.
Look, why can't we just?
I thought God didn't discriminate. I thought He wanted everybody to have fun.
What the heck happened to his hand?
It was. I just had an accident.
Oh, okay. You got any ID on you? Any of you? And who's in the
no.
trunk?
That's
There's
my
someone in
little
the trunk.
cousin.
Oh.
Oh, look what we got here.
What do you all want? Do you have any? Do you all have ID on you? Identification. You're on private property.
Yo, dude, what's your name?
Technically, you're on private
What? What's your name? What are you doing here?
Just partying.
Partying, huh?
Yes.
I know, but they want you.
Telling me God didn't
Stop right there. Stay right there.
Church call.
Maybe he'll get back in the truck.
And you either need to either go inside, do business with the church, or
Wait a minute.
leave.
What kind of church is this?
Whatever
What
the
denomination?
fuck you
Look, I don't know.
Is it Catholic?
I don't know. I'm just called here. Okay. All right. We'll be right back. Stay here.
Because if this isn't a Catholic church, this is what the Protestants fought for centuries. To deny.
son of a gun.
Nightmares.
Somehow we got to get them to leave. So, in short, that's what's got to happen because they're trespassing. So,
Yeah.
all right.
What ideas you got?
I don't know, but I tell you, I'm this close to shooting them myself.
Got it. Just try to control yourself, please.
I'll see what I can do. All right, here's the deal. Partner, I'm this close to shooting you. So, we either need to make a decision.
I declare sanctuary. You can't shoot me. This is church property.
Hey,
It's a universal human right.
I-
Sanctuary! Sanctuary!
you can't claim that till you're inside the building.
Says who?
I'm gonna go talk to the custodian. You just stay here watching.
I don't understand this.
What?
You left us.
It worked for Quasimodo.
Yo,
Ah! Sanctuary!
Church property.
Sanctuary!
you need to leave.
Why?
Let's just.
It's private property, all right?
Come on,
We're
dude.
just having
Let's
a
just
fun.
go.
You
This
have about 30 seconds.
Fine.
You're so lame.
Your ticket.
You're so lame.
I'm not giving any money in the collection
Hey.
plate next Sunday.
One more. Alright, let's see. Medical exam. 6708, we're gonna need medical examiners on location. They all pulled guns on us. Get the trunk. Let's shut the camera off. Shut it off. Fine, here we go. Drop guns. Did you go over this at the academy? Yeah. 1, 2, I need a gun. Ooh. Oh, yeah. There we go. Good enough. See, they all got guns.
I think we'll call it a day.
Yeah, 6708. We're code 4. Start medical examiner and crime scene. Oh, wait. One second. They have to shoot first. You shot first. Good enough. Okay. You just wait for crime lab.
Yep.
Sounds good.